Today we're dividing integers. When you're dividing integers with the same sign, your quotient is going to be positive. When you're dividing integers with different signs, your quotient is going to be negative. Let's take a look at some examples. So in this case, I'm dividing negative 18 and negative 6. Since 18 is negative and 6 is negative, these two numbers have the same sign. Anytime they have the same sign, our answer is going to be positive. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So my answer is positive 3. Here I'm dividing two numbers with different signs. 75 is positive and 25 is negative. So anytime they have different signs, my answer is negative. 75 divided by 25 is 3. In this case, again, I'm dividing negative 54 divided by 6, so different signs, one positive, one negative. So my answer will be negative, and in this case, 54 divided by 6 is 9. Here we're being asked to evaluate the expression 10 minus x squared divided by y. In place of x, we're going to substitute 8. And in place of y, we're going to substitute negative 4. So whenever we have a problem with multiple operations, we need to make sure we're following order of operations. So the first thing we're going to do here is our exponent. 8 squared. 8 times 8 gives us 64. Now we've got a division problem left and a subtraction problem. In order of operations, division should come first. So I'm doing 64 divided by negative 4. Since I have a positive and a negative, my answer is going to be negative. And 64 divided by 4 is 16. Now I have a subtraction problem here, which I'm going to do, but I'm going to change it to addition first. This is equivalent to 10 plus 16. So my final answer here is 26. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Here, you're measuring the height of the tide using the support beams on the pier. Your measurements are shown in this picture. What is the mean hourly change in the height? So a key word here is the mean. So when we're finding the mean, we're finding an average basically. We want to know first of all, okay, how much our change is here. So it's going from 59 inches at 2 p.m. to 8 inches at 8 p.m. So really the water has gone between this time down quite a bit. So I'm trying to find my difference here. So I'm going to do 8 minus 59. So that's the equivalent of 8 plus negative 59, which gives us negative 51. So in the course of this time, the water has gone down 51 inches. Down 51 inches. And that took place between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. So I want to figure out how much time that is. So if I do 8 p.m. and take away 2 p.m., I'm talking about 6 hours. So if the height of the water went down 51 inches over 6 hours, I'm going to do negative 51 divided by 6 to figure out how much the water is receding every hour. So I'm doing a negative divided by a positive, so I know I'm going to get a negative answer. And 6 doesn't go into 51 evenly. It goes into 48. So we're going to get 8 times, and that's 3 left over, so that's half. So it's going down 8.5 inches per hour. So 8.5 inches per hour the water is receding.